Hi there! Welcome to today's video, where I will show you how to add credits to a Gigastore platform. Gigastore Credits allow you to activate data packages in real time, so there is no need to pre-purchase specific packages. Instead, you simply select the packages you wanted to offer in your sales channels and ensure you have enough credits to keep selling data to your customers. Okay, first of all, log into your account. Fill out the billing address and the details. To do so, click on account icon, fill out the information, and please make sure to add the country of residency and VAT for tax purposes. Now we can add the credits. Click on the wallet icon, and here you will see two options, a manual top-up and automated top-up. Manual top-up is one-time payment. Click on Add Credits, add the amount of credits you would like to add, continue, check the numbers, check the VAT, choose your payment method, and click Pay Now. Fill out the card details and then click Pay. The second option is automated top-up. Auto top-up will add credits automatically when your balance goes below a certain amount. It's a perfect way to ensure your account does not run out of the balance and your customers receive their mobile data packages on time. Here is how to set it up. First of all, add the payment method. Gigastore supports popular credit cards like a Visa and a MasterCard. I already did that. Once the payment method is added, click Enable Auto Top-up and set up the balance threshold, which triggers the top-up, and amount of top-up, which added to your account when the threshold is reached. For example, we set the balance threshold for 100 and automatic top-up for 500. It means that the next time when your balance runs below 100, it will automatically add 500 to your balance, so you can keep selling data uninterruptedly. Save settings and you're all set. Now you know how to manage your billing information, how to top up credits automatically and manually. In the next video, I will show you how to set up the data packages you would like to sell in your shop. If you have any questions or you need support, just book a call with us. We are more than happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you next time.